Hello friends, this is Mike from Tribefinder and welcome to the course entitled Customize Your YouTube Channel. This is also a section of the masterclass entitled Create a Successful YouTube Channel. This course is dedicated to informing you and guiding you through the process of customizing your YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be confusing or complicated. In fact, it can be very simple. And that's exactly what we are going to learn in this course. With any course I do that involves a platform like YouTube, I like to give you sections like YouTube Philosophy. And these basically are business philosophy sections or why you want to use a particular platform as an entrepreneur. So in this first section, we're talking about why you want to use YouTube for your business. So we're going to be doing several cool things in this YouTube channel course. And this is an important course to take because these things are actually kind of difficult to figure out how to do, since navigating the back end of YouTube can be kind of complicated. So the first thing we're going to be doing is adding a watermark that can appear on the bottom right corner of every one of your videos you upload to YouTube. And it's actually pure magic, all right? But I'll go into why later on this course. You'll love what it can do. Actually, they don't tell you what the watermark does on all your videos, but I'll show you what it does and you're gonna love it. It's gonna blow your mind. The next thing we're going to learn is how to add links to your channel art, like links to Facebook, Twitter, etc. That sounds like something that would be simple on YouTube, but it's actually hard to figure out. And then finally, we're going to adjust the layout or look of how visitors see your channel. We're also going to show you how to add a channel trailer in this section that can be huge for getting new subscribers to your channel. Now, for the YouTube philosophy section, we're going to be talking about why you want to use YouTube as an entrepreneur. First, as an entrepreneur, you want to use YouTube because it is the second biggest search engine after Google. Yes, it's bigger and more used than Bing, than Yahoo, you name it. In fact, Google owns YouTube, so Google wants you to use YouTube and will, in essence, reward you for doing so. Also, if you optimize or tag your videos correctly, they will easily show up in actual Google searches as well as YouTube searches. This can be huge for getting awareness for you and your business. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Gary Vaynerchuk. If you're not, check him out. He's a brilliant online marketer and entrepreneur. He was quoted as saying, "If your company is not putting out content, then it doesn't exist." And doesn't this seem to be the case these days? It seems like every major brand out there also has shows or toy lines or products associated with them. Have you noticed that most big brands have YouTube channels? Yes, right? There's a reason for that. YouTube is a platform where you can publish your own videos, your own content, and it's free. Plus, down the road, you might even be able to profit from it. YouTube might literally send you a check in the mail for the content that you put on YouTube. So there's really no downside here to using YouTube. And it's free, right? So why not?